Hello everybody and welcome to the Ward House. Please subscribe and push that like button. We decided to start and finish our garden fence this weekend. So as you can see here, we are digging the holes and placing in the wood posts, eventually attaching the gate. I am building a trellis for our snow peas and beans. So please keep watching to see the rest of our adventures from this weekend and enjoy. So it's the next day.
Hold on, don't show me. I got my butt crack. I'm hanging out. I'm good now.
Glad you didn't see that. Hi! Anyway, you say hi, everyone?
Hi, I got my bicycle.
Bicycle? That's not your new one, though, from the Easter Bunny.
This is my little one.
That's your little one. We're already starting on the fence since we got home. Anyway, so I got the wire fence out. I'm going to spread it across this here fence right here and probably wrap it around the corner, and then we'll cut it right where the gate is going to start, right where that man is. And then I'll need help starting this off, but then after that, then I can just keep going. So, at a certain point, my arm that I'm holding up the camera with is probably really wobbly because it's like a noodle. I am hurting so bad, especially after going to the gym and working out my arms. Oh my gosh, I'm hurting.
Yeah.
Oh, who does this, right?
By the way, before everybody looks at this, I hate construction. It's not me. So I probably didn't do it completely right, but that's okay. We came from the middle of this post and went to the outside of this post, you know, because everything is square. Not really. And then I just glued this on, although it really doesn't do anything. It just looks like it holds this together better. That's backwards. That's upside down.
I've seen them upside down. I've seen them right side up. I don't think it matters.
Okay.
I don't know if that would stay.
We'll try it.
They look like legs. You all tell us if this is wrong or not. Putting it in the corner.
It doesn't work like that.
Nope, it doesn't. Maybe you should try it out.
Why would you tell me to do this?
It's great because I'm the one who actually gave him this idea for this fence. I think before he was just gonna do like some little white picket fence or something like that, but the dogs could easily go over that. I'm watching him nailing. I just watch the struggles. Watch the struggles. Nope. Let's just not worry about nailing it in yet. Wait until it goes around the corner.
I don't know if we'll need to with it going around the corner.
Yeah. We'll just make it go around the corner and then go from there. Hey, Colin! Buddy! Chill. Just chill.
You want to come up?
Do I want to come up?
Yeah.
Only if I get to attack you.
No! I want you to tap me on here.
Here, come here, give me a hug first. Oh, I love the hugs. I love them, love them, love them.
Come on,
Okay, I'm coming. To be continued, everyone. All right, everybody. I got my mask beard here, and I just finished up with getting my first vaccine. Woo! Yeah, right there. Nothing too extravagant, but hey, you know, I don't mind shots. They don't bother me, so I can't relate to those who don't like them. So I can let everyone know how I do tomorrow. I have the day off just in case, because, you know, I hear that the vaccine affects people in different ways, so I don't know. But I will keep everyone posted. I feel fine right now, so we'll see you later. So, just update on my vaccine symptoms. I'm doing laundry right now, so I'm up and moving. My arm, it's sore. Kind of feels like the after effect of a flu shot. You know, where you feel bruised on your arm. You just like, ugh, you feel like you have to move it all the time. I'm always tired, so I can't exactly say if that's a symptom or not. Because, you know, I'm a mom, I'm a wife, I have duties around the house to do, and, you know, I'm always tired. So I can't exactly call that a symptom. Hey, you know, that's my body. I know everyone else's is different when it comes to this kind of stuff. So if you have yet to get a vaccine yet, and this is going to be your first, then look forward to the fact that the first one at least hasn't affected me much, so hopefully it won't affect you much either. So, but yeah, that's my update. All right, so it's Saturday morning. We were going out to the brewery because it was an anniversary thing. They had live music and some new beers, so we went there with some friends. We are getting ready for Colin to do a soccer game. And he's up against his best friend today, but unfortunately it's going to be raining soon. And I just went outside and it's starting to sprinkle. Later on today though, we are going on the boat with some friends and haven't tried to and whatnot, so that'll be fun. The only not so fun part is the rain. Train!
You what?
It might even be human. We don't know.
we're
Yeah.
Long way, dude.
Colin's just after the train.
He's all, oh, train.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That way!
Oh gosh! Kids running! Oh gosh!
Tackle him!
Once the train starts going, then all the kids stop. Give it a minute, coach! Give it a minute! Come on, go get the ball!
Colin's smart.
Hey,
He's like, Axel, kick it in here.
Yeah, buddy, go! Go over that way! Go over that way, buddy! Go kick that way! Kick it that way! Go kick it!
Go get it! Come on,
Go
get
to
in
the
there!
Go to the goal, buddy! A wrong way, buddy! Colin, this way!
Oh, they're holding hands.
Oh my gosh. Colin, you gotta go steal the ball and make a goal!
Good job, buddy.
I don't want to.
At least he's trying to tell Axel to score in that goal. That's pretty
No,
smart.
yeah. Steal it! Steal it! Steal it! Go the other way!
Go, go!
I'm gonna steal it from you!
Get it, Colin!
Get it, Colin! Oh my gosh, this is hilarious. I love this game.
This is better than professional sports. I'm not joking.
He's really into watching Bolt right now. Russ?
What? I'm smoking stuff.
So we just got home from Colin's soccer game. Hey, shut the door! We don't live in a barn!
Sorry, what were you saying from the barn that we live in?
So we don't live in a barn.
Oh.
Shut the door! I'm about to go shopping for stuff for our fun time at the boat. We're going to the boat and spending some time with some friends, and I gotta make a list. Ah. All right, we're on our way. Say hi, Colin. Hi.
Hi, Colin.
Oh. So we're on our way to drop off the little boy here at my mom's house, and then we're heading out to
The boat.
the boat. I'm gonna be on the boat with no flippy floppies because it's raining.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action.
We're figuring out our parking situation. I'm cold. It's cold. It's raining. It's a wet one today, but hey, we're on our way. We're gonna go on the docks and meet our friends. Yay! Oh my gosh, Russell. Just go. You dork. That's what he's talking about, you guys. Oh my gosh.
The funny thing is that's supposed to keep the geese from going on the dock and they'll walk right up to it.
Yeah.
The goose put like 3 feet away from it.
Our friends just got here. My camera is all foggy because it's wet. Gonna go let them in and have some fun. And I'm just waiting so patiently. What's up there, party people? Look at you wearing shorts. You crazy old man? All right, come on in.
Entree.
Oh my gosh. Hi, I'm good. How are you?
How you doing, honey?
Hi there, Eskimo.
Oh, no. You know how I roll.
Yeah.
I was like,
What's up, Ron?
How much? How are you?
I'm good.
this time.
They're all on their phones.
5829.
619-806 or 281. Those are all California.
We're trying to do some prank calling here. Not really prank calling, just trying new phone numbers.
Wait, oh, are we still taking pictures?
Yes, hold on. Oh, you're so oh my gosh, you guys.
Please.
So nasty,
I'm trying
boys.
to get a nice picture to put
All
on Facebook.
right.
It's Bartow's fault. Trying to figure out what he's doing here.
He's hog tying him.
Don't do it too tight.
Are you going to be able to get yourself out of that?
Me? I doubt it.
No. Well, that was super fun. Having our friends over, and we had a good time. Russ is actually walking them back to the door right now because it takes a key card to open up the door. So, and then he'll get back. We're gonna go to sleep. So tired. But see you in the morning in like a second. Well, I would like to say I had a comfortable night. My back. Oh man. I immediately took some ibuprofen this morning, so hopefully my back will feel better a little bit later. It's still very stiff. Hopefully later on I can feel better because we got to get some dirt for our garden. Coffee. Russ is out flying his drone. It's actually a very pretty morning, even though it's kind of gloomy. This is our view. Super nice. Hi.
Hi.
Morning.
Morning.
Yeah. Let it out. Just let it out.
Alright, we are headed first to drop off some stuff at home and then to go get the boy.
Yeah.
There he is. He's got the dirt, buddy.
Russ just grabbed some dirt and we're at the neighbor's house setting it down for them. And I'm going over here right now to check it out.
They always give you a
Ooh, what a nice box you got there.
Hey, Ashley.
Hi.
Russ let us go in the truck.
Oh man. Hi, Colin.
Hi.
Look at me. You guys are so cute. All right, boys, where are we off to now?
Go and get wood chips.
Wood chips. All right.
He is right.
He's been right. All right, buddy. You go with Daddy. Go that way. No. Oh, go the other way. Oh, stay there. It's like, I don't know where to go. I didn't film it, but yeah, we laid out the dirt in the extra box. As you saw, we got the neighbors some dirt. We went halvesies on it so they can start up their garden box too. I already planted the potatoes, so take a look. So there's our new box. We're gonna go get some more mulch for around this area. We already put cardboard down. There's our potato box with the starters on. We put some extra dirt in this box. I got our stepping stones all ready to be put down. And then we put some extra dirt in those boxes as well. And then as the potatoes grow, we'll use the compost dirt to fill up those extra boxes there.
So instead of doing the mulch that we said we were going to do, they were closed. So we're just going to finish the rest of the fence instead. Thanks, dude.
So, just finished the outside of what we did, that you saw. We're all so tired. We're gonna go out and go to a restaurant, go eat. I can't even get my words straight. I'm so tired. Russ, where are we going?
Westwood Brewery in Rathdrum.
Westwood Brewery. Oh, get on in there, bud.
You love it when we get the bark and stuff, huh, buddy?
Yeah.
You like the tractor?
Yeah.
There we go. Getting our red bark. There's one scoop.
He's gonna get him better.
We're gonna get two more scoops, buddy.
Yeah.
I just got home from the gym. Woo! Let's go see what they're doing. Russ told me to come out back and see what it looks like, so let's go see. Yeah, I see he's done some work. Ooh, honey, that looks good. Oh, I like it. Ooh, do you feel proud?
I do. It's a good contrast. I love this new stuff.
Now I can't wait to garden.
Okay, everybody. It is done. I was going to do the fence tomorrow, but I couldn't stand it to leave 20 minutes of work as the last thing left in here. Look at this. Oh, that is so amazing. Now all we need is some warmer weather and we can do some planting.
Ah, jeez, my eardrums. Aww. Say night-night, guys. Hey. Oh, gosh. Jeez.
Good job, Hippo!
What? No, right?
Hey.
Are you dancing on my grave? Did you just do the worm?
Night-night, guys.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.